Hey, this is Russ. I just wanted to give you guys an update as to what's been happening. Today was the first time I actually got a chance to drive my car. Yeah, I got out, went to physical therapy in the morning. My wife went with me today. And I'll tell you, you have two ladies pushing on you, kind of hurts a little bit. So I had the physical therapist pushing on my knee. My wife was holding me down. I like being double teamed. Wasn't looking forward to that, but I knew that was going to happen. Anyways, to give you an update on my ability to bend at this point, I am still hitting only 100 degrees of bend under major pushing and pain. So I'm not really sure if that's going to be good enough for the doctor. I'm not making really progress beyond it. The highest I've ever gotten was 104 degrees, and that was right after a couple of days after the manual knee manipulation, which happened a while ago now. Anyways, I didn't want to talk too much about that. What I really wanted to tell you was the fact that I stopped taking oxycodone, which is the high level of pain relief. I'm just taking ibuprofen. Is that how you pronounce that? 2 tablets of essentially Advil, generic Advil. And I think that's good enough. I don't think the oxycodone or how do you pronounce that? Oxycodone? I don't think that was really doing that much for me, but I did notice that by not taking it, I did have a little bit of pain. So 2 Advils, generic Advils, instead. And I stopped taking the medication that is supposed to be used to give me relief from the restless leg syndrome. Okay, and those are the 2 medications that had the potential for having sleepiness, and because of those sleepiness side effects, yeah, you can't drive. But if I don't take that medication, there's no reason I can't drive. So today was the first time I had a chance to drive my car, and we went to Costco as usual. I even had some Costco food court pizza and a hot dog too. So it was good to have that, but heavy calories, of course. And by the way, just to give you an update on my dieting, as you may know, 2 years ago I put a diet together and dropped 50 pounds in about 6 months. Gained a certain amount of poundage back, probably over 15 pounds or more. And then since the operation, I've lost all that back and then some. So I'm now currently 54 pounds down. So since the operation, that would put me at 16 pounds down since the operation. So yeah, I've been losing weight. Anyways, so going to Costco and getting a pizza and a hot dog probably was not a good thing, but I hadn't had it for so long, I had to get some. So I got that and a diet Pepsi. Anyways, on the way out, and of course I took my mobility scooter too. I keep my mobility scooter in the trunk of my car. And so I put together a mobility scooter and scooted into Costco, went to the food court, had my little lunch, and then met up with my wife who was out shopping at Costco. And then when we were all done, we came back out. So now I have to put my scooter back into the car. And here's what I wanted to tell you. My knee is not really that strong. I can't put lots of weight on it. Even just lifting the 25-pound battery is a difficult thing for me to do. And of course, lifting the middle section of the scooter, because the scooter does come apart, that's around the 25-pound range too. And it's kind of awkward. So I was trying to put it in the trunk of my car, and my wife was pushing the cart back to the cart corral there. And I immediately felt I wasn't going to make it. I was not, the knee was giving out. I didn't have the strength in the knee to keep myself up along with the additional weight of the scooter. And I knew I was going down. So I had to make some really quick thinking. I was thinking, how should I fall without breaking my knee and having damage to the scooter and everything? So the best thing I felt was to fall back. So I essentially sat down, sitting down, landing on my butt, okay? And the scooter landed between my legs, and I don't think my knee got tweaked too much, but I do feel it a little bit, so maybe a little bit of tweaking in my knee as well. But it was the best way to fall. Okay, now I'm down on the ground on the parking lot of Costco in the handicap spot, okay? There are people across the way from me, and they obviously saw me fall. Did they come help? What do you think? Nope. Didn't even come over to see if I was good or not. My wife finished putting the cart away, and she saw that I was on the ground, so she came over and tried to help me up. And one of the Costco employees saw her struggling trying to get me back up because I can't get up on my own because my knee is still kind of stiff and I can't bend it. So he came running over to help. Okay. So kudos to Costco's employee for helping me. And he wanted to make sure I was okay and everything, and help me put my scooter stuff into the trunk. So long story short, I'm still okay, but disappointed in people who don't help others. Obviously, they saw me fall, and obviously, they saw me down there. Nope, not even a little bit of help. So disappointed in people, but good that the Costco employee came over to help. So here's the long story short of this, okay? If you see somebody who has an issue like that and you see them fall, go help them. Why would you not do that? Anyways, that's what happened today. So good things and bad things. I'm a little bit more mobile now, but I do have to be a little more careful, not going overboard. I now realize that I can't take the scooter out on my own. I can't lift things that are heavy because your knee doesn't have the strength to hold you up, and also the additional 25 or so pounds of the scooter as you're going in. Total poundage of that scooter is about 85 pounds when everything's put together, because you got a chair, you got a battery, you got a drive unit, and then you got the main unit as well. So help others. I think that would be good. Anyways, if you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that bell icon because that'll tell you when new videos from me come out. I'll keep you informed as more developments happen. We'll see where we go. Talk to you guys next time.